Korea-made satellite reaches orbit. 4 more coming up. By Song Kyung-sun. Korea launched a 500-kilogram compact advanced satellite into the atmosphere Monday, the first of 5 in a government plan to transfer satellite technology to private firms. The CAS-501 model was one of 38 satellites carried into space by Russia's Soyuz 2.1A launcher, which took off from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan at 3 p.m. After safely being deposited in its orbit 497.8 kilometers above the ground, CAS-501 made first contact with the Svalbard Satellite Station in Norway at around 5 p.m. Through exchanged signals, we have confirmed that CAS-501 is in a stable condition, said the Ministry of Science and ICT on Monday afternoon. If all goes well, CAS-501 will make its first contact Monday night with the Korea Aerospace Research Institute, or KARI's, ground station in Daejeon. The liftoff, originally slated for Saturday afternoon, was postponed due to technical problems in the Russian rocket's ground equipment that supports takeoffs, according to the Science Ministry. Measuring 1.4 meters in width and 2.89 meters in height, CAS-501 is an observational satellite that will send videos for various purposes, from creating maps to observing wildfires. Its camera can capture black and white images of 50-centimeter resolution and color images of 2-meter resolution. That is pretty high considering that Google Earth, which offers some of the world's most detailed satellite images, offers up to 15-centimeter resolution. For the next 6 months, CAS-501 will conduct a trial run to test connectivity. It officially goes on duty in October. Its mission will last for 4 years. The successful launch of a CAS-500 model is an important milestone for Korea's aerospace industry, in which a score of private companies are hoping to do business in a market previously dominated by the government. Developed by the state-owned Korea Aerospace Research Institute, the CAS-500 comes with a standard platform, which means a large part of it can be adapted to develop other satellites with minimum modification, instead of designing a whole new model from scratch. A satellite is composed of 2 parts, the body, which takes charge of locating it in outer space, and the payload, which contains equipment that decides its function. KARI's standard platform will provide the satellite's body, which means private companies only have to develop payloads. The CAS-500 project will produce 5 500-kilogram satellites in a series. In developing the first, KARI worked with the private company Korea Aerospace Industries, or KAI. More than 60 companies took part in developing the first CAS-500 satellite, which enabled 91.3% of its core parts to be Korea-made. Its development period was 6 years. For the second CAS-500, slated for launch next January, KAI will take charge of the entire process from designing the satellite to launching it.